Okay, this is a demonstration video of the Snap-on BXOR704. So let's get here. This here is the individual part number, but I'll give you the number. See how that got a nice, good, tight arc. Ratcheting. I don't have a lot of space in there. Pretty strong too. Now, I'm going to admit that I'm doing demonstration videos, and when I'm doing a video where I'm using these in the actual job, I'm going to let people know that too. But I'm the first one to show the BXOR704 and the BXOR706. So now I'm going to reverse it. Okay, there you go.